Prime Minister Brown, we have just learned that Mr. Choksi is apprehended in Dominica. So now what next?
Right, so you're correct. He was actually found in Dominica, and it would appear that he may have entered the island illegally, possibly by boat. So the Dominican government is cooperating with the Antiguan and Indian governments. Mr. Choksi will be deported from Dominica. However, we have requested Prime Minister Skerritt and law enforcement in Dominica not to return him to Antigua, where he has legal and constitutional protection as a citizen. In fact, we have requested specifically that he be detained and to allow law enforcement in India to make the necessary arrangements with the Dominican government to have Mr. Choksi returned directly to India.
So, sir, how he escaped? Any idea? And is his family approaching you? What's the current status like?
Well, again, as I said, he's detained in Dominica. I mean, he skipped the island, and we would have put out a notice, an Interpol notice that he's missing. And he was actually located in Dominica, which is about 35 minutes away by air. And the governments of Antigua, Barbuda, Dominica, and even the Indian government, we're now cooperating to see how we can get him sent back to India, to have him repatriated to India.
So, Prime Minister, is this a borderline which is stretched by you now, that you will not accept him back, or you will have to accept him if Dominica doesn't agree?
Dominica has agreed, and we will not accept him back. So I think Mr. Choksi would have well prejudiced the constitutional legal protections he enjoyed as a citizen of Antigua and Barbuda. So he made a monumental error by skipping the island and going to another country where he does not have citizenship. Well, I'm not aware that he has citizenship of Dominica, but in any case, the Dominica government and Dominica law enforcement, they're cooperating, and we would have informed the Indian government that he needs to act swiftly to have him repatriated to India.
So, sir, do you think now he will be repatriated for sure?
I am pretty sure. I'm not aware that he's a citizen of Dominica and that he would enjoy any such constitutional protection. So on that basis, it will be easy for Dominica to deport him.
And what about his family, sir, which is in your country still?
That's fine. I mean, they're not known to be, let's say, criminals or would have done anything illegal. So just like any other citizen from any other country, they're here legally. It's fine.
So is your government is also in touch with India and Dominica at the same time?
Yes, yes. In fact, we have been coordinating the discussions and to ensure that ultimately he's repatriated to India.